Okay. This is from Unknown. But this is a cute book. Let's just note that. Look at all the different bunnies.
Is there running inside it?
Oh, it has like little flaps and stuff. It's super cute. Well, I like the book. Let's see. We don't know who this is from yet, but we'll figure it out. I should have brought scissors. Maybe Hide and Seek Bunnies is from someone else. It just feels like this is a book. Hey Diddle Diddle and Other Nursery Rhyme. It is from Mary and Bob. Oh, and Joan and Donnie and Jessica. Oh, okay. I was like, Mary and Bob. Joan and Donnie, Jessica and Charlie, Mary and Bob.
Thank you.
So Hide and Seek Bunny is probably from someone else. Okay. Let's see. Ooh!
That's kind of funny, Andy.
Yeah. I have bad knees, so this is perfect for being able to give baths.
I'm old. Old man knees.
Oh wow! It's the high chair thing that goes in a chair. This is great. We're excited about this because we figure we can take it to Grandma and Grandpa's, or what are they calling themselves? Poppy and not Grandma. But that's super sweet. Thank you, all of you. Let's put this down. Okay. Oops. We have several books from people. Oops. We have several books. We have On the Night You Were Born. From Esther.
Oh. Very cute.
And we have Green Eggs and Ham.
One of my favorites.
Also from Esther. And Corduroy. Did you read Corduroy?
I wore a lot of corduroys as a kid, but
I think, well, Corduroy's bear.
Yeah. Sweet.
From Maria and Glenn.
Oh, nice.
Lewis, coolest parents, that's right. Thanks, Maria and Glenn. My brother read Corduroy a lot. It's a good story. He like loses his button, or he loses his button, then he like goes around home. You will read it a lot.
I will read a lot. Yeah, you don't hear that.
Alright. Let's see, where are we? Oops. We have this from Debbie and Peter. Dr. Seuss's ABCs.
That's a good one.
Bet there's some awesome clothes in here.
Ooh.
Look at
leopard print.
With ears. Very nice. Oh, little headbands. The coolest girl ever.
Yeah. Yeah, the coolest girl ever. You're sleeping right now.
That's how cool she is. Oh, nice. Whole pack of onesies. Cool. All sorts of useful and cute things.
Thanks, Debbie and Peter.
Thank you. is from Pam.
Oh, that's the.
Okay, this is diaper cake, Pam. The diaper cake is amazing. I said that in someone else's video. It's the most amazing diaper cake I've ever seen. I actually thought it was purchased. I thought it was like I bought one.
Oh, the sellers?
Yeah, like people make them. People can go over here.
Okay.
Oh, good thing we opened this up tonight. Look what I found.
Oh.
these are size 1. Well, she'll grow into these. Extra diapers for the diaper cake. I was actually wondering. I was like, I wonder what size those diapers are because we're about to run out of the diapers from the hospital. And this goes with the headband and flower socks on the diaper cake.
Okay.
Elmer's Day. Have you read this book?
No.
I've seen it before. I think it's old. I think it's been around a while. Oh, it's 1994. Cool. Thank you so much. We do love the diaper cake. It's so cool. Okay. We have Lola and Gordon.
Oh.
A is for apple. For baby Gordon. Very nice. Oh, look, it has little flaps. Oh, look. It teaches you how to, like, draw the letters. That's pretty nice. Cool. Ooh. Diaper bag. Now we can go out.
Go out the world.
We've been stuck in the house because we haven't had that yet. Thank you so much.
This weekend, so. Thank you.
Okay. We have I Love You Through and Through from Anita.
Oh.
That looks cute.
What are cute books?
She's going to get a lot of reading done in her future. Oh, look, but you have a cute bathrobe now. It's a nice spring outfit. Ooh, I like this. It's cute. It's very like, I'm going to the beach.
I have a lemonade stand.
Oh, this is a whole grooming set. So now she has a brush and all sorts of things.
Hair with mommy.
Well, I mean, you can do her hair with mommy. We can start using that brush now. She has so much fun. Oh, these munchkin things. They're the ones they suction to the. They're these ones that suction. Well, even so, they're like ones that kids can't spill them. I put these on the registry because I saw a kid on the bus, like eating cereal out of one of these, and he was like, tossing it everywhere, and the cereal wasn't going anywhere. And I was like, that is amazing. Cool. Thank you.
Thank you, Anita.